this video, I would like to review Old Brass Wagon, the movements, the words, and then we're going to play with them a little bit to make it more fun. So first, let's review the words. Remember, the words are very repetitive, but change from verse to verse. So the first verse is circle to the right, the second verse is circle to the left, and then the third verse is everybody in, and then the fourth verse is everybody out. And if you remember with that fourth verse, everybody out, we kind of do a little bit of extra at the end. We'll get to that later. Let's start with the first verse. See if we can say, just say, not singing. Let's say the words together, circle to the right. 1, 2, here we go. Circle to the right, old brass wagon, circle to the right. Old brass wagon, circle to the right. Old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. And then for verse 2, it's the same, except we do circle to the left. And then verse 3, everybody in. Let's do verse 4, everybody out. And remember at the end, it repeats, you're the one, my darling. Circle to the left, everybody out. The old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. It repeats the second half of that verse. Let's try everybody out together. 1, 2, here we go. Everybody out, the old brass wagon, everybody out. The old brass wagon, everybody out. The old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. Wait and then repeat and go. Everybody out, the old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. So that's the words to it. Now let's try it with the music and the movements. Here we go.
Square dance, here we go.
Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. Circle to the right, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Other way. To the left. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. Circle to the left, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Everybody in. Here we go. Oh, wait. Now we go. Everybody in the old brass wagon. Everybody in the old brass wagon. Everybody in the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Waiting. Everybody out. Everybody out. The old brass wagon. Everybody out. The old brass wagon. Everybody out. The old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Everybody out. The old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. All right, now that we have reviewed the words and we've reviewed the dance, feel free to repeat that as many times as you want if that was fun. But now let's try some new things. So rather than saying circle to the right or circle to the left, we can come up with our own verses, making up our own ideas of what we want to say. So let's think. What could we say? How about shake your hands? We could try that one. Let's try singing Shake Your Hands. 1, 2, here we go. Shake your hands, the old brass wagon, shake your hands. Old brass wagon, shake your hands. Old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. So that's an easy one, and obviously shake your hands. Oh, I really wish that you guys were here because I want to hear your wonderful ideas. What could we try? Well, we could try, how about march in place? Let's try march in place and sing. 1, 2, here we go. March in place, old brass wagon, march in place. Old brass wagon, march in place. Old brass wagon, you're the one, my darling. All right, so we shook our hands, we marched in place. How about jump? Jump like a frog. Ooh, that might be kind of fun. Jump like a frog. Should we try jumping like a frog? Let's try that one. Here we go. Jump like a frog, the old brass wagon. Jump like a frog, the old brass wagon. Jump like a frog, the old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Whew, that was sort of fun. All right, now what I want to do is I'm gonna pause the video for a second and give you a chance to do this on your own. What I want you to do is I want you to come up with your own verse and just sing it with yourself one time. All right, I hope you enjoyed remembering Old Brass Wagon. And these songs they're called square dancing songs because you do them with other people and it makes usually a square. These songs are really fun because you can add any words that you want, any directions. You can say, go outside, or however you want. You can suddenly change the song and you can do lots of different things with it. I hope you enjoyed playing with it.